mga Dabar Cats! Eto na nga!
Eto na ang Buena Manong concert sa EB Concert Stage ngayong 2012.
This will definitely be a concert like no other. What? This is like the bomb, totally.
Oh, totally! Ladies and gentlemen, eto na ang ultimate tandem, Jose Manalo and Wally Bayola, the Jose Wally Concert!
Okay.
Come on, come on.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Get up there. Hello, Philippines. Yeah. Yo, what? Give it all right.
You ready?
Here we go.
Here we go.
Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we'll make you move your line. Everybody just have a good time. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we'll make you move your line. We just wanna see you.
Shake that. Party rock is rock tonight. We rock, we break, come on, hold on. One mic, right, on, here we go. Top rock, play, go right. Top, swell, a middle one, right. Shoot that up, a really good time. Here you go. Right, left, we're gonna do it, ball, yeah, rock.
Running up into I know I got a devilish rock and roll, no halo, body rock, and the crew that I plan to rip on the ride to the top, no but down to the top, hey, party rock is in the house,
Come on, the party people now.
everybody just have a good time, here you go, and we'll get the lose your mind, everybody just,
Yeah, yeah.
party rock is in the house tonight, everybody just
Come on and have a good time now.
and we're gonna lose your
Come
mind.
on, don't lose your mind now.
Party so you have a good time.
Yeah, party. Come on, everybody, do the party rock. They get the party to do it. Keep it up. Here on the party now. Yeah, oh yeah. Here we go now. Lose your mind now.
We just wanna see ya.
Shake it. Yeah. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it, baby. Thank you. Thank you. I love you, Philippines. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to everyone to come here at this concert. And this is truly a dream come true.
Yeah! And you know what? We never been this happy before. Thank you very much, Philippines!
Thank you, Philippines. Ah! Huy! 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 Yeah, galing. Happy New Year!
Alright. Do you really want more? You want more? Alright.
You want more? What?
Yeah! See that?
More fireworks!
Okay. Well, if you really want more, madali naman po kami kausap. We will give you more. Alright?
Here's some more, guys. And this time, we like to do a serious type of song.
Serious type? Hindi pa ba tayo seryoso?
Parang hindi.
Alright! Serious!
Puro ganun ginagawa. Gawin natin na medyo magpa-seryoso naman tayo.
Okay, we'll just serious.
Papogi tayo ng konti. Pogi. Paano pogi? Pogi.
Hirap eh.
Ha?
Hirap.
Oh, maganda, maganda. I love you, fans. May nag-I love you sa akin. Thank you. Lilipas din yan. Para po sa inyo lahat. Music, please. Seryoso na yun. Huwag ka makialam, papasok lang. Sa piling mo lang ang tunay na pagsinta, pag-iakap kita ng mahigpit, parang ako'y nasa langit. Ito ay panaginip lamang, pagkat ang puso mo'y nabis kong nasaktan. Pakiusap ko ako ay pakinggan. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay ko. Ang tunay ko minamahal, ang tanging ay makapiling ka muli. Ganda. Gusto niyo pa?
I think they want more.
Huh?
They want more.
Want more? This time, we do interpretative. You know interpretative?
Yeah, we will add an interpretative.
So, anong gagawin natin?
Di mag-interpret ka. Ikaw lang naman yung nag-interpret dito sa
Paano nag-interpret?
Yung pag kinakanta, ginagawa yung ina-interpret yung sinasabi sa kanta.
Habang kinakanta mo, interpret ko.
Yeah, that's it.
Ayusin natin, ha? Sabihin mo na nadarama.
Ano yun?
Nadarama.
Oh, ba't parang hindi ka mapakali? Ano bang nadarama mo?
Membrot.
Ano ba? Hanggang dito pa naman.
Ano ba?
Seryoso kasi.
Seryoso?
Seryoso. Ulitin ko, ha? Sa piling mo lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Uy! Uy! Jose! Pagsinta, hindi naman pagsintas.
Sintas.
Pagsinta.
Sintas. Marami.
Oh,
Ikaw, marami kang pagsintas, di ba?
Ako marami na akong sintas.
Isa lang.
Sinta.
Pagsinta lang. Sinta.
Sinta. Romantic tayo.
Ulitin mo kasi.
Nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pagyakap kita ng mahigpit. Uy, pinapatay mo naman eh. May pagka-romantic naman yung yakap.
Sabi mo, higpit.
Hindi. Konti lang.
Ano, may yakap, gano'n? Mahigpit ba yan? Mahigpit?
Hindi,
Pag mahigpit, gano'n. Tignan mo. Oh, di ba? Mahigpit.
yung may love.
May love.
Nang mahigpit.
May love.
Parang ako'y nasa langit.
Oh, pare.
Uy!
Oh, pare.
Uy!
Oh, pare.
Langit na ba?
Ano ba sa English ng langit?
Heaven.
Wow, heaven, pare.
Lasing naman yan eh.
Ha?
Lasing naman yan eh.
Ano ba?
Yung langit lang. Ikaw
Langit.
na nga, ikaw